me that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to ReviewCrate. Now, if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. If you're not, welcome back. Thanks for coming back again. Today we have something a little bit different than most of the ordinary things that we had so far. So this is what we have. We have actually a hose. Now we have an expandable hose. Now these are getting more and more popular each and every day, pretty much. Now this hose retails for between $30 and probably $60. It can even go up even higher than that. Depends where you purchase this product. Now I actually purchased this product at a place called Factory Direct. It's brand new, it's still in the box. This is a 75-foot hose that I paid $35 plus tax for. So not a bad deal actually. I was actually very surprised that this product was about this cheap. So let's read some of the things here on this box. So this is actually an extendable hose, 75 feet, 22.9 meters. It expands and contracts with water flow, so it usually rolls up. It looks like that in the picture, and then it looks like a normal hose pretty much when it has water, and it expands up to 3 times in length. Now, one of the things about this that a lot of older people maybe like is that it's lighter than a normal garden hose. You don't have to lug this thing around. It's not super heavy. It doesn't get tangled. It's supposed to not get tangled. And that's one of the main reasons I wanted to review this, to see if it actually holds up to what it says. Because there's been a lot of talk about this, but nobody actually knows unless you own one yourself. So I wanted to try it out right here on ReviewCrate and see if it actually is as good as it's supposed to be. So opening the box here, it's in a bag. Let's just pull this bag out here. Looks like that's it. Now, this is actually very compact. I mean, it's for a 75-foot hose. Like, that's really long. This is very compact in this packaging. It's green color. So we take this out of the packaging here. Okay. Okay, wow. Oh, more of these little guys. So this is cool. Feels like one of those elastic bands that you use at the gym. It just stretches like one of those. It actually stretches quite a bit. This is what it looks like. So at the ends here, we have a metal or a brass sort of fittings here. Feels like a little bit cheap right here, but without that, it might not have as good as durability and strength. It is a really strong plastic that is on here, but it does look a little bit cheap, at least here on the end. This is about 6 inches that this has to either stick out from your house or like so. It feels fine. It feels very durable, like actually Super Duty quality. So we're actually gonna bring this outside and see exactly how this feels. If it really does expand like it's supposed to, and we'll take it from there.
All right, guys, I'm in my garage now. Sorry if it looks a little bit messy, but I just moved it not too long ago. So I'm actually gonna connect the hose and just see how it feels right here on my faucet here. Oh, it goes on actually very smoothly. Now, my faucet here actually does leak, so you might see it leak, but don't be alarmed that you guys hopefully won't. And then I have this, actually, it's brand new. I don't know actually how this works. I guess there's an off and an on, so I guess we'll figure that out. And I'm going to twist this on like so. Oh, it goes on really nicely, actually. Now, I'm just going to turn it on and see this thing expand. Full pressure. Oh boy. Oh, it's getting bigger and bigger. Wow, it expands a lot. It's still going. It's like a snake. Oh, I'm not even doing that. It's doing that itself. Wow, look at that. So with water in this, it's not even that much heavier either. Now it's actually not leaking there, surprisingly. I'm very surprised and happy with that. Now this comes out quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is actually going to walk out of my garage and I'm going to see some of my plants over here. So I have this almost at the very edge of my property here now, and it hasn't kinked once. So we have it here, and if we even try to kink it like that, all it wants to do is just come right back out. Even if we even try to kink something like this and pull it, it just keeps unraveling. So I'm gonna actually try the pressure on this and see how well it works. So it's working great, actually. Even when I step on it, it doesn't lose barely any pressure, and it seems like it's a very durable product. I'm actually very happy with this. I'm just gonna water my plant a little here. This is actually a cat palm. I'm gonna try to kink it a couple times. It just doesn't want to kink. Oh, is it gonna kink? Just keeps, it just doesn't kink. For the price of it, for 75 feet, it's very lightweight and it seems like it's very durable as well. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna shut off the water. Now, if you let out the water, it's supposed to retract itself back to the same size as it was. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to open this up and then see what happens. Now, as we can see, it's getting very, very small. A lot smaller than I thought it would. The water's still going. It's almost like an elastic band. And we're pretty much done. That is it. Now, if we bring this up here on the table, that is pretty much the exact same size as it was before.
So guys, overall, I think this hose is actually pretty good. I'm actually very happy that I bought this myself and that I'll be able to use it on a daily basis. Maybe in the near future I'll even put in updates, see how long it lasts for, because maybe it won't last as long, but so far it seems like an awesome hose. So I would actually recommend this product. Now that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. Now if you guys could show any love or support, leave a like and a comment. That would be awesome. I mean, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, that would be, just amazing. So I'm gonna wrap this up right here, and I'll see you in the next one.